Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're taking a look into gold. So what we looked at last week was that sell-off opportunity. So if you did manage to get in on that, that's great. What we were expecting was two scenarios. It really just depended upon how deep this push to the downside is, because the scenario that we were looking at is either we're going to see price just dip slightly lower and then continue to rally, or we're going to get price to continually push lower and take out this low. So I think it's quite evident for now that, with this strength to the downside, I think this possibly was due to the NFP. I think it actually was. That continued strength to the downside, there is that possibility of price, pushing lower to take out this low and then pretty much rallying towards the upside. So again, that is a strong possibility, but I'm also not negating any possibility for price to just slightly drop lower and still stay within this low, because if that is the case, then that could still happen and the rally could still take place. So I don't really want to personally miss out on this, so I'm just keeping those two options in mind. But if what we start to see, for example, is if price starts to, through the Monday session eventually break this low, then fine, that's a good sign. We could then start to potentially wait in and simply just stay patient and try and find that buy opportunity. But ultimately it has that possibility, I believe, to rally towards the upside. So I think this will be a good watch, or a good pair to watch over the next few days or so, and I think that this will be a good long-term trade for anyone who trades gold for long term anyway. But yeah, the second scenario is for price to somehow find some rejection within this low, and that is still of possibility. And if that does happen, I would be looking at as a short-term target, or a minimum target is 1830. So just simply this resistance level here, just to be mindful of that any rejections that could take place here. So I don't think that is not bad of a profit actually. So let's just take a look. So around 700 pips or so, but if we take price to the low to the top zone, 1500 pips. So again, I think that is a strong possibility of happening. But yeah, we also do have this zone here that that is floating around in our other gold videos. And just to quickly mention that if price does break 1700, there's that possibility of price continuing to break lower, and usually by the time that price does this, we will be able to come back to you guys with some analysis points from there. So pretty much that's all I wanted to cover this week. If you are new to this channel, we do have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description. But if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and we'll see you all in our next video.